Right, so the people at Dachs, Carly and Charlie and the rest of the gang very kindly sent us some cool products to use on project rav4. So we're gonna have a go and potentially give it a polish as well. Polisher is Batoka, they've sent me that, but that'll be a completely different video. But they've sent me everything that we should need to get it looking half decent, including the bucket, we've got the wheel brush, we've got a mitt, we've got the tyre brush, we've got hog hair brushes in here, we've got dash pads and microfibers, we've got the pressure washer adapter for your snow foam, and then a dash pad, which is one of their new products to get the dashboard looking nice and clean. So yeah, let's get into it and see how we can get on.
As you can see, the new project car that was donated to us very kindly, unfortunately the owners actually admitted that they very rarely washed it, if once a year it was lucky. So yeah, a lot of work cut out for us here, as you can see, a lot of built up grime and dirt. So let's see how the Dachs stuff can tackle it.
Okay, so we're going to start off with Dachs' citrus pre-wash and just generally see how we get on with it. It's basically go on first, and it's to tackle all the general shit and grime on it. So attack, Mike, attack. To be fair, the pre-wash is working magic on this side.
It did on that side.
Look at this.
I think you have to do it again.
You see that there's green streaks?
Yeah.
So you want to be spraying this on, agitate it, and don't let it dry out, and then pressure wash it off. You can see the difference immediately. Next, we're pressure washing off the remnants of the sort of citrus, getting rid of any of that built up grime, and hopefully getting it to a stage where the majority will just sort of brush off next.
Right, so next step, we're going to go with the fallout remover. So I'm not sure how well it'll bring up these wheels, but this is like the ultimate test. So given how much rust is on this wheel, we're a little concerned if we leave the fallout remover on too long, the wheel might actually rust away. So let's get that off.
Fallout remover is a fantastic product. It smells awful and you don't want to let it dry, but my God, does it make a difference.
We are going non-diluted because black is heavy soiling.
That works for me.
Next up, everybody's favourite step is the snow foam, and I can honestly say, once we got the actual snow foam lance working, which is a Dachs product as well, it just came out so well. It smelt lush, it was properly thick as well, and once it started spraying properly, it hung onto the paintwork really well, and ended up giving a really, really good clean.
Seriously thick. Oh. Get under them windows, Mike. That's so thick. I love that sound.
Mike was meant to capture me pressure washing off the car. I don't want you lot to think that I didn't actually do anything other than video. This was his attempt.
Right, next up, the Dachs shampoo. Cleans dirt and grime. Into our Dachs bucket with the old grit guard in there as well. So next step, do the contact wash. So we'll just give it a light dusting with the new mitt, and we'll see how we get on with it. And yeah, fingers crossed you'll come up a treat. We shall see. Right, so next up we're going to use a clay on it because the paint feels like sandpaper. The Unfortunately, Dachs don't do one yet, but I'm sure they will soon enough. So yeah, let's get on with the clay and then crack on.
So we're just using a bit of soapy water as a clay lube, just to help us move the clay bar around. This was actually a medium clay, but I was happy to use that because I knew that we would be using the polisher on the next stage.
This and rinse it off.
Okay, so spray sealant, and it's a hydrophobic spray sealant, hydrophobic formula to prevent shine. Oh my God, Mike, read the line.
Spray sealant, hydrophobic formula to protect and shine.
Because Mike is not a potato. So spray it on.
Hydrophobic.
Spray it on while it's wet, and then we rinse it off, and then dry it. Oh, it smells amazing.
It does smell really nice.
That really smells great. It smells like sweets.
You can see it working.
You can instantly see it working. Let's get that back section round here. Do the rear window. That is seriously impressive stuff. I am well impressed with that. Just look at it on the paintwork. It just starts beading immediately.
This was by far the best Dachs product. Not saying that any of their stuff was bad, but wow, when you spray this on to wet surface, it instantly created such a good beading surface.
So, right, next we've got the Dachs Jumbo Towel. It is like a microfiber one side and then like tiny little fibres the other side. So we're going to give that a go.
We were able to dry off the whole car from just the one towel. We didn't have to get a second microfiber to dry it off or anything. One towel was more than enough to dry the car off, and I was so pleased with the results. Yeah, really good bit of kit, really good towel.
So next up, the tyre and trim dressing. So suitable for obviously grey panels, back panels, etc. and tyres. So we're going to give it a go because we've got some pretty grey panels and some pretty...
I definitely should have cut my fingernails for all my fingers are in video.
They're clean though.
I could cut them though.
Doesn't matter. I've got that all on camera now. That's going to be brilliant. I should have cut my nails.
Don't put that in the video.
I'm good at it. Anyway,
Or
come on.
else-
Come on. Otherwise you'll do what?
Yeah. All the things to you.
And I'll enjoy all of the things.
The tyres are on.
We just didn't clean them properly, did we? To be fair, we didn't do any we didn't do any contact on the wheels. Good catch, sir. Yeah, we did no contact on the wheels whatsoever, did we?
No, because the wheels are hardly fucking worth it, are they?
Get in that brown bit.
Yes, I looked at the camera.
That top section. That's it in there. Oh, that's much better.
Nice and wet.
I mean, these tyres have never had a back to black on them in their life, so this is going to be soaking it all up, and they are bloody old as well.
If you couldn't see the perishing, Mike will show you now.
Go for it.
The funny thing was, I wasn't initially impressed with the back to black. Like, you put it on and it didn't actually seem to make that much difference, and then as soon as you take a step back and actually have a look at it, I was mega impressed. And then this little panel down the bottom here, straight away. But yeah, well good.
Yeah, you say that.
Get some using this and all of it. Then.
You can do. It's totally up to you, but right, look at the difference.
Yeah, no, you're not wrong.
Hi, my name's Peter. Would you like riding me?
It's cool, but you do look older.
What the
In that.
We want him to keep it, not... right, so we're going to use the interior detailing cleaner. We're going to try it on AJ's lovely beast, Peter, or Petter, as we've now renamed it. But yeah, so we'll give it a go and see how it comes up. It's
probably fair to say that that's burned, so it'll. It's already brought it up. To be fair, that's coming up. That's coming.
You reckon?
A little bit.
Oh, it is, you know, this bit. I don't think that's going to come out.
If only we could all work that fast, right? So yeah, the product actually, yeah, quite impressed with that, but the pad was brilliant. Really, really good pad. One side was a soft microfiber, other side was sort of a more aggressive, almost like plasticky bristle, but still very soft. Really, really helped get the dirt out of the door cards.
I cannot get over the smell of this. That smells. Oh, that smells amazing.
AJ's brown spots are probably never going to leave that door card unless you actually sand them back. It's actually burn marks.
Mate, Mike, look at that. Look at the difference. Even here, it sounds silly, but you can see where you've not.
You can see where it's going to come.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll go in more up under.
Even that.
What you've just done then, you see it, where it's taken off. All you got to do is look at the end of the door
You can
card.
see that it's burnt it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Are they little tiny holes?
No,
Or are they,
I think that's just the
or is
top,
it just
the molecules of leather. But even that's just massively different.
massively different.
I'm impressed with that. I mean, to be fair, even if you used a more aggressive cleaner, I mean, that's done an incredible job.
And some of the car smells nice too.
Well, I was literally about to just give it a little sprinkling in the car. It smells like burnt.
It's because it was burned.
Yeah, exactly. So it's fair to say that this has actually done a really good job getting the crap out of the door card, like nice and clean. But yeah, happy with that.
So massive thanks to Charlie and Carly at Dachs and the rest of the team for sending some stuff for us to trial. I can't believe the difference it's made to our ratty old RAV4. It looks pucker. Standouts for me were the hydrophobic sealant or hydrophobic sealant and the dash pad. Incredible products, really, really. Oh, and the snow foam as well. And you've got to love that seal of approval. Now, Dachs have actually offered 10% off if you use the discount code Usuallybrokencars. That's one word, Usuallybrokencars, or I'll put the link in the description below. So, thanks for watching. Hit the like, share, subscribe. It does make a massive difference. And catch you on the next video, guys.